Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can connect Instapaper with Notion. So there isn't any direct automation available within Notion to connect to Instapaper, so you would have to use a third-party tool called Zapier. Go to Zapier, connect an account if you don't have one already, and once you do that it'll take you to this page. Here you have to press this create button on the top left, then Zaps button. It will open up this editor, and this is where you create the automation. So you see you get a trigger and you get an action. In trigger you have to select the app which will send data to the action app. So we want to connect Notion with Instapaper. I am going to select Notion as trigger, and then I'm going to select Instapaper as action. So Notion will automatically be sending data to Instapaper. So simply click on trigger, here search for Notion and select it. In event, select the event that should start this automation. I'm going to select new database item. So whenever there is a new database item, this automation will be initialized or started. It will ask you to sign into your Notion. Press sign in. It will take you to sign up page. So simply sign into your Notion. Mine is already signed in, but you can sign into yours. Once you do that, close this window and click on action. Here you have to search for the other app, which in this case is Instapaper, and search for Instapaper, select it, and in the event select, you basically get a single option, so that is all you can do. You can add a page, press continue, it will ask you to sign into your Instapaper account, press sign in again, and a window will open. So simply sign into your Instapaper account by entering your credentials, and once you do that, you're basically all set up. Now you have to press this publish button on the top right corner, and once you press this button your automation will be live. So this was a very simple tutorial on how you can connect Notion with Instapaper. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.